美人鱼，美人鱼，美人鱼。
mermaid,
mermaid.
你听过美人鱼的故事吗？你听过美人鱼的故事吗？你听过美人鱼的故事吗？
have you heard the story of the mermaid?
Have you heard the story of the mermaid?
我小时候就听过美人鱼的故事。我小时候就听过美人鱼的故事。我小时候就听过美人鱼的故事。
I've heard stories about mermaids since I was a kid.
I've heard stories about mermaids since I was a kid.
美人鱼是丹麦作家安徒生的童话作品。美人鱼是丹麦作家安徒生的童话作品。美人鱼是丹麦作家安徒生的童话作品。
The Mermaid is a fairy tale by Danish writer Andersen.
The Mermaid is a fairy tale by Danish writer Andersen.
公里，公里，公里。
Kilometer,
Kilometer.
长江是中国最长的河流，全长6397公里。长江是中国最长的河流，全长6397公里。长江是中国最长的河流，全长6397公里。
The Yangtze River is the longest river in China, with a total length of 6,397 kilometers.
The Yangtze River is the longest river in China, with a total length of 6,397 kilometers.
中国南北距离约5500公里，因此南北气候差异很大。中国南北距离约5500公里，因此南北气候差异很大。中国南北距离约5500公里，因此南北气候差异很大。
The distance between the north and the south of China is about 5,500 kilometers, so the climate between the north and the south is very different.
The distance between the north and the south of China is about 5,500 kilometers, so the climate between the north and the south is very different.
黄河是中国第二大河，全长5464公里。黄河是中国第二大河，全长5464公里。黄河是中国第二大河，全长5464公里。
The Yellow River is the second largest river in China, with a total length of 5,464 kilometers.
The Yellow River is the second largest river in China, with a total length of 5,464 kilometers.
我家离机场大约30公里。我家离机场大约30公里。我家离机场大约30公里。
My home is about 30 kilometers from the airport.
My home is about 30 kilometers from the airport.
仍然，仍然，仍然。
Still,
Still.
尽管他已经70岁了，但他仍然在追求自己的梦想。尽管他已经70岁了，但他仍然在追求自己的梦想。尽管他已经70岁了，但他仍然在追求自己的梦想。
even though she is 70 years old, she is still pursuing her dreams.
Even though she is 70 years old, she is still pursuing her dreams.
她生病了，但她仍然按时上班。她生病了，但她仍然按时上班。她生病了，但她仍然按时上班。
She was sick, but she still went to work on time.
She was sick, but she still went to work on time.
我学中文已经1年了，但我的中文仍然不好。我学中文已经1年了，但我的中文仍然不好。我学中文已经1年了，但我的中文仍然不好。
I have been learning Chinese for a year, but my Chinese is still not good.
I have been learning Chinese for a year, but my Chinese is still not good.
排列，排列，排列，
Put in order. Arrange.
Put in order. Arrange.
请把下列句子按顺序排列。请把下列句子按顺序排列。请把下列句子按顺序排列。
Please put the following sentences in order.
Please put the following sentences in order.
他把参考书整齐地排列在书架上。他把参考书整齐地排列在书架上。他把参考书整齐地排列在书架上。
He arranged the reference books neatly on the bookshelf.
He arranged the reference books neatly on the bookshelf.
请将下列数字按逆序排列。请将下列数字按逆序排列。请将下列数字按逆序排列。
Please put the following numbers in reverse order.
Please put the following numbers in reverse order.
梦，梦，梦，
Dream.
Dream.
昨晚我做了一个噩梦。昨晚我做了一个噩梦。昨晚我做了一个噩梦。
I had a nightmare last night.
I had a nightmare last night.
他不努力工作，天天做白日梦。他不努力工作，天天做白日梦。他不努力工作，天天做白日梦。
He doesn't work hard and daydreams every day.
He doesn't work hard and daydreams every day.
昨晚我梦见自己在水上行走。昨晚我梦见自己在水上行走。昨晚我梦见自己在水上行走。
Last night I dreamed that I was walking on water.
Last night I dreamed that I was walking on water.
我梦到爷爷来看我。我梦到爷爷来看我。我梦到爷爷来看我。
I dreamed that my grandpa came to see me.
I dreamed that my grandpa came to see me.
谢谢观看。